Hey guys, in this video I gonna show you how to make a maintenance on a diesel engine. I will show you all the steps to follow and all the materials to use to make that happen. So let's find out. For do that, we're gonna use filters, and we will use three kind of filters. We're gonna use air filters, oil filters, and fuel filters. Those three filters, we're gonna change them. We're gonna use 10 gallon of oil. I take 2 buckets because each bucket have 5 gallons. The oil I am using have a particularity. It's a 15W-40 oils. The 15W-40 oil, it's a versatile engine oil. The first number 15, it indicate low temperature range. That means the engine can start at cool conditions. And the second number indicate high temperature range. It's suitable for many diesel and gasoline engine, include heavy-duty diesel engine, older engine, or those operating in temperate to hot climate. Okay, let's start it. First, the diesel engine. This is a J175 Kohler generator. So this generator connect to a hybrid systems. So we're gonna enter the rooms to see the equipment inside. So we will go especially where is the generator connect with that hybrid systems, and we're gonna disconnect the breaker, connect the generator from the systems to make sure no high voltage go out on the generator when we operate on the generator to make the maintenance. So we make it safe. So we open the breakers, and now the generator is safe to operate. Okay, so we finish disconnect the generator to the systems. Now we're gonna check and shut down the generator, and we're gonna activate the safety on it. So we stop the generator, we switch it off, and we push the emergency button. We make sure nothing will happen when we working on the generator. After that, we're gonna open all the door and clean inside the generator. So let's open the door, and after we will clean inside the generator with high pressure water. Before that, I use a degreaser to remove all the dirt and oil on top of the engine. So I will spray all the way on top of the engine with that produce, and after we will use the pressure to wash it. During that process, we make sure we don't spray the dynamo part, because this part is very sensitive with water. Now let's change the filters. We'll change the oil filters, the fuel filters, and the air filters. So to do that, we will go first on the engine and start the generator to heat up a little bit the oil inside the engine to drain it easily out. So let's do that process first. We're gonna start the generator, waiting for 10 minutes, and the oil will heat up. After, we will put the oil out. So remember, before I watch the generator, I was activate all the safety, so I need to remove the safety and stop the alarm, and then start the generator. 10 minutes it's over, and we stop the generator. Now the oil is hot and become liquid, and we're gonna drain it out. So we put the hose out, and then we open the valve and we drain the oil out. So we are doing that right now. This generator can take like 10 gallons of oil. So we have 2 buckets available to double check that. Okay, so now let's change the oil filter. So we remove the old one. You can see it's very dirty. We wipe the dirty oil with a towel, and then we will put the new filter. So we put some clean oil on it, the new oil, and then we will fix it up. Let's put the new oil now, and then after all, when I put all the oil, I'm checking the level to see if everything is right. Now move on to the fuel filter. So let's remove the old one. It has a lock, and we remove the lock, and we remove the filter. After, we will put that in trash and put some fuel on the new one and fix it back. We double check the fuel filter is tight. Now we blade the engine, and we blade it. We have a small pump, a manual pump. We can do it with our finger. So we will blade it up, and to make sure we don't have any air on the hose. Okay, the last thing we left is the air filter. So let's remove this air filter. It's very dirty, have a lot of dirt inside. So we'll remove it, and then put the new one, and then we are good. So all the filters is okay. To keep the engine clean and smooth, we use the W-40. We sprayed on it, and that will protect it. It's an anti-corrosion, and he will protect it on dirt and keep it clean, keep it shining. So it's good when you do that in your engine. So when you will clean it up later, it will be easy to do that, because the engine had that particular protection on the skin. So you don't need to do that, but me, I do it. It's for aesthetic and keep my engine clean. Okay, now we done everything. We changed everything, and I just make a double check. The oil filter is tight, the fuel filter is tight, and I check up the blade to see if blade is well. Everything is okay. Now I need to check the fuel level. yeah, the engine keep the oil. You need to always do that, because sometimes you can forget to close the valve, and all the new oil you put just go out of the engine. So it's a way to anticipate that. You double check your oil level, and that you will make sure everything is right. You check your air filter, it's time, and I doesn't change the coolant on this service, but before I start up the generator back, I need to verify the level of the coolant. So the coolant is okay, the coolant is okay. So now the generator is brand new. I can start it up again. To do that, remember I activate a lot of safety on it. So now I need to put my key, because I remove the key to make sure nobody will push the button when you operate on the engine. And I remove the emergency button. I clean the alarms, and I start it up. Thank you for watching. Like the videos, comment, and share that with other people. See you on the next video.